In this video, you are going to learn how to answer a question on Quora so you can get maximum clicks back to your website, and also answer it so you can stand out from competing answers and be the top answer for the question so that you can really get all the views for the question. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through just how to answer a question, the process that I use. Now, the first thing to do is really to edit your credential. So as you can see right now, it says I'm a certified Google marketer, etc. But this doesn't really relate specifically to the question that I'm answering. And so what Quora gives me the opportunity to do is just edit my credential and make it more relevant to the question that I'm answering. And the reason that I would want to do this is because if we scan down here at some of the other competing answers, I can see digital marketing experience, marketing content, and copywriter. So nobody here is really saying that they're like a Facebook ads expert. And an easy way that I can stand out then is just to change my credential. I can add a credential for this topic, Facebook ads. So I'm going to add this in. And every time now that I answer a question about Facebook ads, it'll show against my answer that I'm a Facebook ads expert. So I can save that, and now that I can see that's come up, I can just click out of this and you can see it's changed to Facebook ads expert. So if somebody's scanning down through the answers here, they see right next to my name I'm an expert, well then automatically I have an advantage over the other writers here because I seem like I'm more of an authority on the topic. So that's a simple trick just to get ahead of the competition without even answering your question yet. Now, in terms of how do you stand out once you write your answer? Well, I think you really need to essentially write a headline that's going to grab people's attention. So the question is, how effective is the new Facebook lead ads? And so I really wanted to write something that's going to grab the attention of somebody who has that same question in their mind. So what I like to do is write a headline, something like lead ads are a huge deal. So that is going to pull them into start reading my question. Now the next thing that I like to do for all of my questions is to, after my headline, add in a relevant image. So I'm going to upload an image from my desktop here that relates to the question. So this is a visual of what a lead ad on Facebook looks like. So you can see there's 3 basic steps to it. So already I've got a headline that stands out, then an image that relates to the question. And if I scan down through the other answers here, none of these people have images, or they don't have any headline that's grabbing my attention. So I think already, after changing my credential, headline, and image, I'm ahead of everybody here. And that's really what you want to be thinking about, not just answering questions, but answering questions better than anybody else. Now after that, you want to maybe give a quick summary. So lead ads are a huge deal, and give a little bit of an explanation of why they're a big deal. So I've got in a nutshell, and I want to leave that unbolded. Lead ads reduce the sign-up process to just 2 clicks without ever leaving Facebook. So that's a little bit of an explanation of the image here. And then you can go on to give a little bit more detail. So obviously I've got this prepared before, but this can take you a little bit of time. Just unbold this. Thankfully they give you a little spell checker there. So I'm saying this is a huge deal for mobile users. They no longer have to wait for a new page to load and trudge through external websites. So I'm saying, what are the advantages of lead ads? And backing up really the headline here that I've said, lead ads are a huge deal. Well, why are they a huge deal? And I go on to explain it, that it really makes it easy for people to sign up and submit their information to your business. And also that Facebook pre-populates the sign-up form, and there's no pain for people to fill that out. Maybe give some information to back up, or statistics to back up the answer that you're giving. So here we go. I'm backing it up now. I'm saying this development has led to amazing results for businesses. I've seen businesses generate 60% more leads than the expected goal at a 37% lower cost per lead. So I've not only said how it's different and what are the benefits of it, but also some of the results that are being driven for the business. And it's always good to include a link to a resource in your answers. So I've said here that the best part is that the leads gathered from lead ads, always good to check the spelling, can be directly added to your database via CRM syncing. So this is just some information linking off to Facebook about how to actually integrate the lead ads with your CRM system. So again, essentially just a backing up why am I saying they're so good. And now once I've given the answer, this is the key part. So I've been helpful in my answer, and now I want to really get them back to my website. So what I've said here is, if you want to learn more about that's how to set up lead ads and other types of Facebook ads, I've documented everything here. And then I link back to my product where I have a full explanation on how to do Facebook ads, etc. So we can see that I've just included a link there to my site, and you can do that easily. You can add in the link like that. And then you just want to click submit. Now maybe have a quick read through it. Maybe we could see there's a bit of a block of text here. Maybe we could help some things stand out. Pre-populates the sign up form. And maybe we just 2 clicks. So it's good to unbold this part. To bold some of the text in there to really help people look at the key points in there, and that'll help you stand out from the competitors who just have a block of text. So now I'm going to submit my answer. I now have the option to share this on Facebook or Twitter, which can be great to do if you have a following there. For now, I'll just skip it. And then we can come back and look at the question here. And right now, I'm just already automatically in the first, second, third, fourth position. But as more people begin to see this question, and even if I go ahead and share that out on social networks, then I'm going to start to get views on this, and people are going to start to upvote this question so I can move towards the top. But as you can see, I think it definitely does stand out a lot better than the other questions there. Now that you know how to answer questions on Quora and structure them to get the most amount of visibility and click-throughs, go ahead and answer a question for yourself.